We're planning our front yard and Turtle Island landscaping. Hi, Tony. Look at all the choices. And this is only row number 1. Be exciting to see how it turns out. See you soon. All right, so we're getting ready to start a new project here. We've got an area called Turtle Island that we need to landscape. Tony's truck is over there with the trailer on it full of blocks. And we've got the new type of mulch that's rubber. It's supposed to keep color for 10 years, so we'll try that and see. We're also gonna layer the outside in rock, but this is the start. 4th of July weekend. Well, Tony's got us started here on the landscaping of Turtle Island. Whew, it is so hot out here today.
And it's what, 6 o'clock?
Yeah, today was a work day, but we're out here getting it started after work. But it is really hot. You think it'd cool down a little bit. But yeah, we got to get it started. We always do it on 4th of July weekend, which is like the hottest weekend of the year. Or it feels like it. I think the heat index is like 100. But we got to get it done, so got to start sometime. We're just going to finish digging out the rest of this circle for the blocks. And then hopefully we can call it a night after that. Then we'll hit it again tomorrow.
The water's hot.
All right, now we're attempting to get the grass out of the center. We actually just got this new mini tiller. Doesn't really have enough balls to really dig down deep. I think it's mainly for when the grass is already gone and just weeds are starting to appear. But we're gonna try it anyway because our big tiller we can't get running right now, so we're just gonna try this. Did wet it down a little bit because the dirt is just so stiff and so dry, you can't get through it. So we're gonna try to water it down and see how it does.
Well, this is definitely the tool for the job for getting this grass out of this area before we put the landscape fabric back. This one's called a Hula Hoe.
A Hula Hoe.
Hula-Ho. This one's made in Kingsburg, California. We use this for weeding in the garden, but if you push it forward, if you're at the right angle, it slides under the grass about 3/4 of an inch and just cuts a slice as long as you're, dirt and roots or whatever, at the right depth and the soil's good. And yeah, I went through this in about maybe an hour. And basically have scraped up all the remnants of the grass. If your grass is long or you have long tall weeds, you definitely need to mow it or weed eat it down to the ground. Last night we even ran over it with a little tiller to break up all the roots and break up the vines. But yeah, this thing is the bomb. So you can either push it, and you can see that it disappears under there because it went under the ground and under the roots, and it just skims them right underneath the roots and takes them out. You can also pull it towards you.
You can hear it ripping the roots out.
And that kind of chops it or cuts them off really good. But if you're pushing it, you got to be at the right angle because it's a blade. And if you got it at that right angle, it just goes underneath it and it just does number on it.
Loud, but Tony is going around just the outside to kind of smooth it out and get the dirt loose with the tiller, the little mini tiller, and it is the perfect size of our block. So that's going to help try to get everything smoothed out so we can get those blocks laid. Looks really good. had to stop for just a minute. Take a little popsicle break. Tony's got his. This is the only thing that keeps us going. We had to stop for a little treat. And then we'll get back to it. These are all organic super fruit. They don't really have a lot of flavor, I guess, because there's no added sugar. Got a little bit of strawberry flavor, but other than that, it just kind of tastes like flavored ice. It's nice and refreshing.
Eric Clapton should not be singing reggae.
I cannot even tell you guys how hot it is out here. I mean, you could just sit here in the shade and sweat bullets. This is going to be one of those days where we are drenched with sweat, literally from head to toe, all the way to your underwear. It's as much as we could take for today, so we're pushing literally heat exhaustion. We just can't take any more, plus we haven't had lunch, so we're gonna stop here and rest a little while, and hopefully there is supposed to be some thunderstorms coming through. We'll come back out here this evening when it cools off a little bit and try to get some more of this knocked out. So, how tired are you, Tony?
Tired.
3 tireds?
Tired, time to take a nap, tired.
That's better than 4. All right. Peace out for now. All right, so now it started raining on us. Literally, we've only been out here like 30 minutes. But it's just drizzling right now, so we're gonna keep at it because we really want to get done.
Better in the heat.
Yeah, it's better in the heat. And we're already hot and sweaty, so we might as well stay at it. Okay, so it already quit raining out here. We just got a little sprinkle, and Tony and I decided to keep moving forward with the project. So we're gonna go ahead and put this edging down. It's a plastic edging. We actually got this at Sam's Club along with the landscaping fabric. We were just in there shopping and happened to see it. We knew we were doing this project, so we grabbed it up. Here's the box. Commercial grade, no dig. All right, we got the edging in. It's all staked down, and looks like Tony's gonna go ahead and drop some rubber mulch in there. He is mulching it up. Make a use for him.
This should be mandated.
I mean, I hate to even say it because it was really hot earlier, but the humidity out here right now is almost unbearable.
but I can take humidity a little bit. That scorching sun was just too much. It burnt, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. It just makes you like completely tired too. Wow, it looks really good. We've never used this rubber mulch before, but we like the idea. It actually has a 12-year guarantee. I thought it was 10. It says it right there in writing. 12-year color guarantee. Rubber mulch nuggets.
Ours should last more than 12 years because ours isn't colored. Ours is just black. The other ones are brown and red. And
oh yeah, they actually put dye on them. Yeah, I would think that ours are just black tires, but who knows?
You can see the white threads.
All right, so we just have to outline the border edge here with our landscaping rock. And then we do need to get another layer of these border bricks. Then she'll be done. Looks really good, Tony. How are we going to get that turtle in there? That thing weighs like 300 pounds. It's solid concrete.
You put it in there while I was at work.
This little guy, he can go in though. There you go.
Found a baby ring snake in the rocks. You can tell by the ring around his neck. Little bitty baby. So I'm gonna take him out in the woods and let him go.
The turtle's waiting for his new home. He's patiently waiting. We rinsed off, took a shower, had a little rest, got something to eat, and then, well, guess it's gonna be a 2-shower day today.